Yeah, it's thick. I've been through a lot, but I'm still standing. Is everybody back up in the building? It's been a minute till me.
Y'all, not my drill dying in the middle of me trying to install this blinds.
High five, girl. Oh.
Hi guys, did you miss me? It's me, Fanny. It's like late as hell at night. But I want to show y'all how cute I look before y'all see me tomorrow looking completely different. Look how cute I look today. I got my hair. I got my cute little blazer on, pink top, black pants. I look so cute and I feel so cute, like. I'm like, I gotta turn the camera on. I'm supposed to start recording another video tonight. It's Friday the 13th. It's Friday the 13th. But I didn't. So let's get a small clip of it. Of me looking good right now. Before y'all see me jump into the next slide tomorrow, which is Saturday. I look so cute.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Like a glance from the past, dark in the frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince, and I'm the pop. Fairy tales, I'm not used to it. Oh, got me questioning what's done.
Hey y'all. Oh, let me do my intro. Let me forget my intro for a second. It's me, Fanny. Did you miss me? And Haley. And Haley. Y'all, look how dark it is outside. And it's only like 5 o'clock in the afternoon. It's been raining all day. Like, y'all see me cook breakfast this morning. And then after I cooked breakfast, I chilled for a little bit, watched some YouTube videos, and then I went to sleep. I woke up, it was still raining. Like, I'm like, who wants to vlog in this gloomy weather? Me, because I'm still doing Vlogtober. So here I am. Haley singing. Gabe is playing with some blocks.
This is as it. Nose.
Your nose? You tell them your nose healing?
That's
Yeah. Your bruise.
this.
Yes.
This.
Yes.
This. This.
But we're in the house today, y'all. Look at a big smile. Ooh, that's so pretty. Ooh, ooh, look at that big smile. Oh, why are you making a stink face? Ooh. Everybody see the light and come running. Ooh, look at that smile. Wow. I'm trying to get all of us in the camera at one time. It's not going to work. Wow. But yeah, we're in the house. They're being them, and we're just trying to make it through this rainy day. Now, let's see y'all. Anyway, guys, I had went to the store to pick up some blinds because one of the room windows need a blind in it. Like I was saying before, I keep getting interrupted. I went to the store to pick up some blinds for one of the windows, and I hope it's the right size. 'Cause I don't know what's a standard size window size for blinds. I try to ask people that work in the store, and they're like, "We don't know." How y'all don't know? But it's cool. But I got this one. It says 38 by 64. I'm hoping it fits. Like, I'm crossing my fingers, hoping that it fits in the window. Because if you be watching me, you already know I tried to put this little renter-friendly thing up for curtains, and it did not work. So I want to try the blinds, and hopefully they work, y'all, because I'm tired of seeing all that sunlight come through the window in the morning. So yeah. This the window, y'all. Y'all look crooked, but y'all could do. I'm gonna use a chair. I got a step stool. I let somebody borrow it one day, and I never saw it again. I even asked about it, still never saw it again. So a chair it is. But like, I don't know if you can see in the window. It has like the pieces for the blinds already in the window. So I'm gonna see if I can try to put it on there first. If not, I'm gonna just see if it comes with some like little pieces. We'll see. We're gonna make it work.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want? My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going what I want. It's some me time. Hope you doing what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. No, but more my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitches did it to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, decide where we're at. Get some me time. I don't know if you know what you want. Might have been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Wake up for you.
Y'all, the blinds is too big for the window.
Get some me time. You know what you want. Maybe I'll love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself.
Y'all, not my drill dying in the middle of me trying to install this blinds. Y'all, this took way longer than it should have took to put some blinds up. My drill died after I put the first bracket up. But I haven't charged this drill since I got it, and I've had it for a minute. I don't even know what a charger is. Hopefully I didn't throw it away and lose it with a bunch of other chargers I had. Like it's already trying to knock it down. Gabriel, no. Yeah, I saw you. But I hope so. It came with a nice little, like a nice little set. I hope I didn't throw it away. It's from Amazon. If I did, I might have to ask somebody to have a charger or buy a whole complete different set, which would be pointless. I put it up. I honestly want to see how long it's going to last. Because this one, or this one right here, it has 3 brackets. The bracket on this side has 1 screw all the way in. And then the other 2 brackets, I had to like hammer a screw in since the drill died. And they're not in it tight. So I'm hoping it lasts until I can charge this drill and then finish it. But I'm satisfied right now. Mission accomplished. A C E G I K M O Q S. It's okay, pick it up. U W Y. Your legs. Y. Next. Now I know my ABCs. Yay! Good job, girl. Good job, girl. You did so good. High five. High five. Yeah, girl. Oh, high five, girl. Oh. Good job. That was so cute. Yeah, I went to the store, right? Haley's still singing. She's still singing. We just got like a few little pieces. Did the camera just fall? Yeah, it did. Little toothbrushes. Some barrettes so I can do Haley hair. Got some more toothbrushes for the kids. Some detergent. Some Febreze. Don't spray it. Don't spray it. Please don't spray it. And some picture frames that I want to put up for pictures that they took at school months ago that I hung up. Oh, don't break it. Thank you. Violent. Violent kids. Why are you pushing me? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Ay, ay, ay. Move off the chair. Then I got some washcloths. I wish they would have just had like black and gray, but this was the only one that had black and gray in it, so I got that. Got some frosting because I want to bake a cake soon. Got a mixer because the one that we have, I can't find the pieces to it. So we just got another one. Some undies for Haley. And that's it. That's all we got, literally. Nothing crazy. I bought the picture frames because I wanted to hang up these school pictures that they took before, the old ones. Like, this is a, I think 10 by 11, right? I ordered both of their pictures to be in this size, but they got confused with Haley and Gabe package, which I don't know how. I paid for both of their packages at the same time. So this was the biggest size that Gabe had got. And the school like never fixed the error, whatever. So I'm just like, I don't want to put up a huge picture of Haley's and then put up a small one of Gabe, because I don't think that'll look right. So if I just put the same sizes up of their pictures, that means I'm gonna have to get different picture frames besides the two that I just got. Because one is a 8 by 10, because I thought his picture was an 8 by 10, but it's not. And it's gonna look so weird in this big frame. And then I got Haley the 10 by 12. They're both just gonna look odd. Super odd. Like her picture would fit in this, but then it's like, it's just gonna look off. And I'm gonna feel bad. I mean, I could take his to the, like, Walgreens or something and get it blown up. That's probably what I'm gonna end up doing anyway. I'm just like, ugh. I don't waste their money again. Y'all, it's still raining and the rain is like making me super gloomy. Like, so I think I'm about to just end this vlog and start my other vlog for tomorrow. But yeah. Thanks so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I post it even if it's late. I stuck to it. Y'all. Do y'all like when it be raining outside? Like, does it affect your mood? It affects me a little bit. But I'm still good. I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow.